Hi guys, welcome to Eric Andy online shoemaking store. Today I'll be introducing this hand stamping machine to you, and I'm going to show you what it's used for. Alright, this hand stamping machine is for every shoemaker out there that works with stamp, and you would love to stamp your leathers, your shoes at any time. Alright, so we have this metal side. This is the metal side, and it's very cool. That place should not be touched because it will be very hot when I plug it. All right, so it's very important that you take note of that. So if you want to use the hand stamping machine, it's very easy to use, and all those sides that I'm showing you is the hot side. This particular side is the hot side. Why this side is where I used to hold it and you pin it down. It's very important that you understand how to use it, because when you plug it, this particular stamp here is the stamp that we use, and at the back of the stamp we have a particular hole at the back where you screw it. These are the sample stamps, as you can see. All right, so we'll just use as an example. That's the hole that I was describing there. So we're going to screw it to this particular hole here, screw hole here. So that's where we'll be stamping from. So let's lock this. You can see how I'm locking it. So it's very easy, very easy to use. So if you want to open it back, that's how to open it back. Very easy. And also we have to plug it, but please do not plug it first. Make sure you have screwed your stamp on it first before you plug, and that is the way it is. So as you can see, look at it, this is how it's going to be, and it's going to be tight, and we're going to be testing it and also having a sample. Let's just lose it. This is a brand new one, just for test run for you guys to see. All right, I'm just going to be losing up this. Okay, after losing it up, we're going to plug it up, and now that it is plugged, I've not switched on the socket, but I can still hold this because it's not yet plugged. Those side I'm touching is the side that will be hot later, and once I switch on the socket, please note, do not touch this particular side when you are switched on your socket. It's very important for you to note. Now that we have plugged it, and this is what we have. So it's getting hot, and that's why I just touch a little surface. Now the funny thing about it is that it does not have a meter that helps you check whether it is hot or not, but you're gonna know if it is hot. So just leave for like two minutes or so. You know that it is hot. Sometimes it even brings out smoke, and that smoke doesn't mean that it is burning. No, it just show you that it is hot already, and you even feel it from a little bit from the wood side that you are holding, that this thing is hot. And so once it is hot, please then you start using. So let's see it. See, it's already getting warm. It's already getting warm, because before it gets hot, it gets warm first. That is it. So I'm going to be putting aside those backgrounds, the foamy background that you're seeing, because you don't place your stamp and stamping on all this. So I'm going to put it aside. So this is where I will place it. That's on the punching board here. Well, once I want to use it. Okay, so this are the side that I'm holding, and now it is hot already. It's hot already, and let's try it on the leather. Let's try to hold it down. Make sure you hold it down, please. It's important that you hold it down. Once you hold it down, once you're able to hold it down, then you see that it comes out. Now this is just a little bit of this to show you that it's getting hotter. All right, so we're gonna stamp somewhere else for you guys to see, so that this time around I'm going to press it on all sides. Please make sure you press it around on all sides, so it will show. So press it on all sides so that it will show. Okay, so let's press it around. After pressing, this is what we have. Let's see. You can see that the stamp is out on the leather. Yes, so because it is hot already, we'll try somewhere else again for you guys to see. Okay, all right, so I'm pressing it around again, pressing it around, holding it tight on it. I am not touching the metal side, please. During stamping, when it is hot, do not touch the metal side. So you can see this is the outcome. All right, so this is looking so beautiful. I can also show you another side just to stamp it. All right, but please, like I said, after stamping, it's still going to be hot, so you cannot open it yet. You are going to leave it in a particular place that will just make it cool. All right, do not open it yet unless you are wearing a very thick glove. That's when you can open it. But even still, I will advise that you leave it for it to cool down a little bit before you unscrew it. That is what I do. All right, so this is it. So in case you need this stamping machine, you can reach out to me, and definitely will send it to you wherever you are in Nigeria and across Africa. I will send to Cote d'Ivoire, South Africa, and Ghana, and so on. Thank you for watching. God bless you.